Hey you guys, so today we're doing Timpanogos Falls. It's only about 2.5 miles round trip. I've lived in Utah my whole entire life and I've never even heard of this hike, but I've heard really good things about it. So let's go check it out. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
We're probably about half mile in. Absolutely incredible views up here. The riverbed looks pretty dry though, so I'm really hoping that there's some water up here and that it's flowing. The ranger said that we should still have some flow at the waterfall this time of year, so fingers crossed. All right, you guys, so check this out. You can see Timpanogos Falls right there behind us. Pretty easy hike. Yeah, super gorgeous, super pretty, especially when we got the fall colors changing up here right now. So let's get a little closer look. Let's go check this out. Check this out. This is sweet. I can't believe I've never hiked here before. Super awesome and pretty. So we're just above that first waterfall right now. If you climb up the fall, or I believe there's a trail that goes around it, there's supposed to be another really cool waterfall just up the canyon, another 100, 200 feet. Let's go check that one out. We'll see how that one is. So we're just getting up here to where we can see the next waterfall. They're 100 feet above us. Looks pretty amazing and looks twice as cool as that first waterfall. So pretty excited to go check it out. We will be there in just a minute. Alright you guys, so there you have it. That's Timpanogos Falls. If you guys liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe as well. If you guys have any comments, questions, or recommendations for other hikes in the Utah area, let us know down below. Thank you and thanks for watching.